Sebeba Ababe Chanyoma Tuntun Trade Punyankopa Mango Shesano, your Minister SK Frimpon, Kwekujesi, Efri Grace, Sandy Asari, na Minister Kwame Jedu, Mepacho Ramo, now on the 25th, now there's a Yambo Norchi, 8 o'clock in Prepe Jubilee Park, Yankambum Liberty Conference, 5th anniversary, a Ramo Intimia Fama Drobakwa, Abedjama Swanko, for Boboba, a man Wadima Mujoma Sutimi Jumapa, Mepacho, a last chance Heba Center, or Modrona, your friend of Bofo, Heba Mr. Nekane or Dia, Mepacho, and Okwa Supe OB4, Heba Mr. Drona, Yabom what the 8 me at home for no, the Etienne, a bomb what the 8 me a ye untinimo, Emma Mojani de Fusani, and Yanonko, a Sambwa Mawa, na Esa Nancy Acho 9 ya Diadeno, a 2 8 me acre, and no switch no Maria fever and typhoid no, a bomb what the 8 me to us here, a Boman comfort ne John Manaswa, and Tutiano, a Koye Kama pa, 8 me at the moment, Turo Ramo baby, Nane Kane or Dia, or also pe OB4, Herba Mr. Herba shop Biana Pharmacy Biano, Abusu Chapo, Dodona Koko Jibi, and Tiko na Koko Jo, the last chance about na just a Pumdi Fino 0574 353 0574 353 0533 121761 0533 121761 yamboa na manko yem fama Freebo Venture Zebra na babe romo ewo maso ne yamboa yema brushes a wodo na ede obo mode ade choose a mojamba ebe yi nka na nema bia akeka onsim no eye Freebo Ventures ene de aba ye wo Ashford Prince eno ye de man kwada me man keto no Ashford Princess eye de man Nkwadamba Yankitwaro, as for evidence, or no match for executive, as for friendly Nafino, as for Galaxy, a ye Freebo Ventures and Kwa, and a Babo Modi 8 million brushes are a ye quality no, a most the toothpaste out on Abba, ye will Alfred Fresh about toothpaste, too much, a ye pampa bia, if you were number seeing China no buying, a mouse sending ye ding, a sign ye fita, you'll get clear toothpaste, alloy toothpaste, and a peppermint toothpaste, Nina no, a ye Freebo Ventures and a diaba, open Bakwa, now Dudwana, a yo Masuan also Coco before number no 0241 545646 0241 545646 in a 0200 600934 0200 600934 niamwa nane mandeda di so and from a Vodafone zene o ma bed ya ma ye nyina na ya ye yusu Vodafone ya na ni isanse hihye o meba no e ya de ano edem pare sa radio aba no your Vodafone cash special voice offer your Vodafone cash special bundles ye de aba na ye Vodafone cash special voice offer no 5 Ghana cedi ye amount 200 minutes a ye valid for 7 days whatever friend network be apes oko etimi ekoko kasa de hia ene so beda star 110 hash star 110 hash anako ekokura my Vodafone app no so a o akwenya so no bebo modena o dia phone na ne ma deda dimpa e dia ma Vodafone further together na hihye no adeda yesoro etimi de ama kama na ntoto no akoyi etimi e de ama na nei abratu eseme kan fancho say international break no egusu ekoso wenye dumfie dum wotwe www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh okwa wakwa kotwa matches no ubediske become also no ewo so na after say yabo modi abawi okoda di ram ya woda no na just Premier League no Bundesliga na yeba na fiaba betro so na league matches no etimi ram na no na akwa yo ba bi atwa 100% okeke so a hona benya the golden booking code no fa enyi bi film emfa bi nka ho obo modi na utwa from 1 Ghana to 50 Ghana ni ediwa osika no senya na ba kudi a unya sika bebrebe enturu woni mnechemo ewo mobile money vendor bia na so mo top up posters no ebi bo an wa top up ne wa chede etimi ye de ma drinks ni emieru pe eno ana esmas yere ko akakodi eyi aba bedintu aba ye wediana ni padodo na aba be hia na me patro ba ku ye mixer 5G habamani nduaba na ye dia ye ono me mo ahoden sonko wakakọ ejumadi awie okakọ ye no mixer 5G eye de ma baby girls na ma mu shape no kama na mo a mo so no ya musua de no eboa ebiem adwumezanze nduaba na wo no ma ahoden papa ba ku so ye miso fruit drinks organic fruit suso ene ye dia ye unye bi na ba uzampa emu edeye papa emu so pintura akonnante anadwena wabana okondo so obedidi a oreje miso drink no obonso obowie eboa na totua na koyie pa etimi da mafana ban na tonkra na yembro bi na fena ba ne yedie no a ena nkofo agera to makrodium a ye bobo 0246 270-221 0246 270-221 and 0558 106348 0558 106348 more call for you Diano more for money and Chemo Kuku Chair Company Limited ewo Easton one Easton phone number ni 0243 329414 0243 329414 na care of Kinju Enterprise Urwani Chemo no motor Swami Kumasia Hanso no obo modena patamu ano wenye bi 054 4483 392 054 4483 392 Manager Daniel our 21st Kene overseas Yankona Yankonko GBL Honum Mama Esther Outcome Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University Bwakwa Ubenye bi Honum PNC Ventures no Anomanji Taxi Station OC Charity Hospital Junction no Unya bi na Sachi Enterprise no ewa Safwa Binchi OC VIP car park no ye boano so no wa jibina ntoto no akoye kama pa etimiera manti o madaroma ye brane ya kona ma no nkomo no eremeda ma na mo Sompa sika promotion mezo tese matransi ape na wa chance etwa star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na ye dia nipa mienu meche musika 500 Ghana cedi mienu otia na odia we di 1000 Ghana cedi tima men komema na ba ye ramu amano nkomo eto aso ye di amamo.
Right, Abrana Sansuna no paya bra. Yasim Konye breaking it down. Naya touching it down. Naya knocking it down. Nyanya daja jamu yon power manon semo. Na yencha semfri poke cow. And no air boxing no. Nina sa brante bakwa. Ye friend don't Walter. Already with your two name. As 23rd December. Ayade so Pemo Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Ayade se omu cats no. Betima baso. On sent to Maku 8. And na jukwana 23 December ebetima totwa abra onu John T. Walter and Joseph Parker epim so no na so rama na se AJ Anthony Joshua esu gina fa and obi so de epim so na enu na kopim a owurem John T. Walter atimi aye training ra na wa narrating sampi e dia fa no concerning tokwani training a watch ahead of 23 December ni game anan tokwa woni Joseph Parker epim so no and a train ogusua ono so eye kakra ama bia fine and you are there bana Roma Floyd Mayweather aba bonte aba yin sembia no empanyfo say utun wan kaseti mu a ye yi bone bia na pamele they akotwa dancing cry and no na owran dia betudwa about exhibition fighter obako SB 60 million pounds sika bia wo kika so ono oje and na so onya no amamfo bashe no yente Floyd Mayweather Junior said your Bob on top respond here Edmai.
Alright. Yeah. Dubai. Pick up a couple dollars. You know they upset. See, they upset because I'm able to milk the game. I'm smart. Kept all my faculties. Made a lot of smart investments. So you know when great people like Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, the Waltons, the people that own Walmart, Walgreens, when they're getting money and they're
and no yen summer Floyd Mayweather and they are two try a demamo na young room ewa bibremu a World Cup qualifiers no egusu to Nigeria afibie sign and out to Nigeria what ifie the first World Cup qualified game now what me ball against Lesotho and Koye no watch 1 point acquire draw one kwa we were one Kigali and Zimbabwe nkoba and so kwa 1-1 na enu na permanent travel Zimbabwe o muskipa your friend Marvelous Nakamba and Yabusa skipper and so panyini didn't see a much in Nigeria for a yo more to first goal and Sakrana a Brante Kelechi here and Acho Ebena equalizer.
Our best as a team. I think we worked well on what we wanted to do and we got so many chances to finish the game, but unfortunately it didn't happen. But we just have to keep on going and believe in ourselves. We're just looking forward going through to the next match. I think it will be in March. We just have to stick together.
I was almost sticking together. Almost about 2 games. Almost 2 points. Almost first game on boy against Rwanda. Almost 1 point to her. And almost ball against Tima. You for Nigeria. And also 1 point. And no 8 floor by a demamo. Young Mexico. 1 p.m. group A game back to Toja. And you Djibouti. A ball a and a muddy Ghana group now, a group I, and also Upema, that's at 7 p.m. and no air Malin Central African Republic, and I did a pimso, and no air Dawa, ye Jetamo Damamo, and what Madian so, na young woman in Domitable Lions of Cameroon, and no permit to an name, as so much touch it down, and what Benghazi, Libya. Nigerian said to the World Cup qualifier, Ben fine a team year training, Opemo Benghazia, not Tajani Poso, and a team no, as to air training Kakaka, or Mupepe, I'm a Piazza fine, and no idea for Eba, ye Jamu, as to Edamau, not team year training, a Bra Fekafoot, or President Samuel Etu, and a Ebano, or Mutimana. Man Abbasubody at the idea channel and what you shall brightness massively. I just a public, letting public show training. I'm a player fine, and we are Cameroon, the senior judge, as well Jamamo, and the old Madian so now Brahma, young fun to himself for Kafutuno, I just a Samueleto, I shall say, Opema, one Equatorial Guinea, Football Federation, Edin Como, I don't say, per se F. Jinri, friendly game and Sakran Afcono as what me say and no air so far preparation or Mashasia almost a year and no air double maswa ye Jamutama and none of Panama touching it down at the also Pemo Cup Women's Champions League Mamelodi Sundowns Omumanuche Sporting Club Casablanca Eshomuka Miansa Omontmande and Pema for the second time in 3 years Mamelodi Sundowns Omo Emmanuel Omo goalkeeper ye friend Antele Dramini after second game no we no ono so etimi a passionate message bi na sa passionate message goalkeeper and by no ye take kakra.
We are Mamelodi Sundowns, we are South Africans, and we are proud. Thank you so much, Ivory Coast and your people. You're beautiful.
No, a goalkeeper on the best goalkeeper of the tournament, and you are Baba friend Dramini, and I would say we are here as Sundowns. We are from South Africa, and what church me unko Simba, na Simba per portaba, as a more pin topsa, many Tunisian former Tunisia player, your friend Radi Jaidi, 18 at the age of 48, Omnisa Tunisian governor, 18 Comosa Simba Force, Omrano Ferdumano, now when you emfa Emma Womo, and no Edeba, Mammy Monitew. And from a so Plemo by all for Leverkusen, or more CEO, your friend Fernando Caro, and your tutor, as a more Crosby of Reverend Chabi Alonso, the contract mom, as some more special Real Madrid, special Bayern, special Liverpool clause, a be a home, as some former clubs now, a big Basso Mopena, or bet me Aquaquia Juma Jamamo, and a CEO at the Babon Tabetica, as a Massa Crosby and Wunia, or Money Chabi Alonso, a good relationship and a they can force or be a own person better as a wantana as was them work crowd or crown of a bibase kunkron na jam green gun o me job boy no and the Chabi Alonso say Liverpool say Real Madrid say Bayern Munich o me jana manako and no e dey buy jam jamama mami pem na me adwuma e wo panyin o e mo jadima Scotland ye fan Steve Clark and the day was so fast Scotland qualify e kwa compare 2024 nemum kono amum kobi keke amu opinion bi and style bi a mindset Scotland ko ye busa step click ese ora their mindset na mo kwa waso amu kwa opponent domnin be she and send one person ye
COVID restricted, so we didn't have that. We missed that sort of that connection, that feel with the fans. So it's nice. Like I said, it's great for everyone in the country that we've got something to look forward to next summer.
Just asked the Norway manager there, and he says you're going to be a handful for anyone at the Euros. He's right, isn't he?
I'm very handful for 18 people in Bessia. Nina say I'm opponent Bessia. I'm very 12 side. That's what Edjama. Niente opinion for the Gareth Southgate or no any England 3 Lions or your boss no. Na Gareth Southgate and a dear to as a game against Malta on Friday no. Standard na o ma raise no o ma nusa standard no entina do against North Macedonia standard we no mo kono
set a standard. We didn't reach that standard on Friday. We have to get back to what we're good at. There's always a chance within that to have a look at a couple of things that we'd like to see as well. But the biggest thing is making sure we hit the
and no yan summer Gareth Southgate and ya to try a demamo as a fight against Malta standard the 3 Lions on my raising on Timi and Rochester standard and against North Macedonia Sasa standard Timi Richie no player come was set 2023 or ending in the Grand Star and you saw that we win a decline rise as so be kasa you say Euro 2024 the 3 Lions are qualified no more open way guaranteed as so be kono pressure be done so
always in our minds that when we go back to club Gareth's always attending games, Steve's always attending games, and you need to be at your best. Nothing's guaranteed, and going into a major tournament you need to be fit, you need to be ready, you need to be well prepared. Like he said, it's
na say obianwa guaranteed man or so munya mo prepare no me aduma ye if said the final 23 for euros or person ko bi o send performance o team page na obiama ra o semi part of for bia na Gavi wo pra na wo free pitch na so ba no so no fatos man no pa ye de tudwa obianya bia twon sanhwe no pemo Euro qualifier game against Georgia and a Gavi okosofa ACL na opanyine fe no Javi au pemo Barcelona o boss no e de tutwa so no boy ne kasa no na do na Barcelona mpanfo no kokwa pai omubo fu papa si game against Georgia meaningless na game be already qualify mo de ko start ye day garosem and diaba na de metin se nura abra o touch it down how much 3 am no and so piato so na nkrofom fili no mo we kakra abra Gavi amachi ya wo free Georgia ebe pemo Barcelona na ni ne papa ne 3 securities from Barcelona and 1 communication members no so our airport what in Nico Martinez ebe pemo no let's say bia fine na no na mpacho daso no munyi ba ku no free so na me hwe no na ni nyina demete owura ye fe no Javi oye passport ni bu ofu papa enu achi demete ese ACL betuma konchan be 6 to 8 months and Sanobo Baka wetimi asamba back demete no say Barcelona betuma ko sign a different player and now by replacement Barca financial fair play enya de se be ha omo le mo benya compensation from the Spanish Football Federation and no idea by Dimamo and Sergio Busquets so Echma by the IG page Abba wishing all the best now Sergio Busquets and Summer what they took for Gavi Hono and you're very emotional was say knowing yourself you will come back stronger anymore animal and or the atuga Pablo Gavi no and watch Oselu as for our Real Madrid as to the Biaba was we are with two Gavi you will come back stronger than ever now some no pure dressing room first half no omunyina first half no prayer very place no omo e consolum kra na point any ja and wo soon work come doctors here day boy nte and o soon na no na omo apprentice friend Torres e sheko na and wokofa Gavi ni Jesse no pejae e se odi solidarity at the Amagavi no at the bedimam ene Euros game say to no say the city boss 745 Ukraine Italy January about 745 North Macedonia bo England and then watch Czech Republic Moldova and Albania and Faroe Island about 745 Northern Ireland and Denmark bo and Slovenia and Kazakhstan San Marino and Finland as Soviet Russia and no Ronaldo on the Portugal team now back qualifiers Euros now competing fine at there I just said winning 10 games in and so far on 10 games 10 wins and and watch Ronaldo and the top scorer was 10 goals and a player fine and no at the tower now Ronaldo so far with team assisted 95 different players and no Portugal gamer one assisted a banter Ricardo Horta Portugal almost second goal Ronaldo assisted was sitting 95 different players on the carrier and we are Japan up Saudi Arabia Ronaldo there almost the Sosa or Hineba almost the Sosa Dadaba at their Kramani no a Baba Soros and Fernante that's Ronaldo there where anti Papa Nina so the city center of Riyadh Cronin Fifio and a Ronaldo madness pa crazy things ɛna ɔmo yɛ wohwɛ ɛyɛ kyɛ sɛ giant screens a ɛwɔ hɔ ɛne nneɛma ahodoɔ a ɛwɔ mfifa sɛ kurom a na nka bi wɔpem Central Market Ronaldo videos ɛne bibia ne twa yips a ɛno ɛdeɛ ba ɛde ma mo ɛwɔ dwumadie no so Saudi Arabia club bi ɛsɛ wɔhwɛ interest ɔnya Yorgino a wɔpɛ from Arsenal ne nyinaa nso ɔmo pɛ so ne di nkɔmmɔ ne contract a Yorgino ne Arsenal wɔ no ɛbɛba na wie 2024 Arsenal wɔ mandate option so metuma extend it to 2025 ɛno na pem a deɛ metɛ Arsenal wom sɛ Dusan Vlahovic a ɔbɔdma Juve ɔno so no nyame pa winter January Arsenal ɛpɛ so de buy of Real Madrid na Jadon Sancho ɔno so rich bid from Saudi Arabia deɛ metɛ no sɛ so far team a friend Dortmund ɛna Juventus ɛsɛ ɔmo penny loan ne salary ɔgye 16 million euros a year no ɔmo pɛ sɛ United ɛfafa deɛ metɛ Saudi obetuma wura mu hɔ ɛno yɛ Deba United ɛfɔ so ɔmo triple Antoine Griezmann ne salary a wɔgye no Atletico Madrid no ɔmo bɛ ne times 3 ɛda ma no ɔmo bɔ ɔmo January nyɛ sɛ United deɛ sɛ sansa ɛna ɔmo nenam saa ɛno ɛdeɛ pɛ Aaron Wan-Bissaka per report ɛba ɛsɛ ɔbɛbɔ back game against Everton anasa Champions League game a United Galatasaray ɛbɛbɔ no ɔbɛbɔ back na Luke Shaw ɛso no ɛbɛ back against Everton next Saturday Luke Shaw ɛbɛ back ɛno yɛ deɛ tɛ Andre Onana ɔnsa no pame touching it down ɛdma sɛ Onana pra ɔkɔ international duty ɛbɔ saa deɛ na goalkeeper yɛfɛ no Arte Beyinde ɔno Demete ɛsɛ ɔno no bɛnya first Premier League taste ɛtuma dam ɛgyama Manchester United ama bia yɛ fan ɛno ɛ reporter ɛbɛ United sɛ ɔmo ɛpɛ central defender ɛne yɛ January ɔsɔm wura nom tabrinwa ɛtumi ɛde ne ba na bia so yɛ fan ɛno yɛ de bɛyɛ Rodrigo de Paul ɛne Messi ɔmo partnership no in games na kama ɔmo yɛ training krana ɛyɛ kama na ɔmo didam ɛno ɛde da hɔ na Brazil ɛba game ɔmo bɛ against ɔmo yɛ fan Argentina World Cup qualifier Brazil lose one game da ɛba World Cup qualifier ɔmo bɔ 64 home games World Cup qualifiers ɔmo ɛwini 51 ɛna ɔmo draw 13 ɛno yɛ Brazil na pema Brazilian ɔmo Brazilian Da Costa family ɔmo so ɔmo support Argentina ɔmo yɛ Brazil from Da Costa family ɔmo support ne kɔ de Argentina adaya ɔmo Da Costa family ɔmo man panyin no wɔde 21 years yɛ friend Maradona ɛna second one no wɔde 17 years yɛ friend Riquelme ɔno so no ɛna third one as the last one no ɔno ɛwɔ 3 years yɛ friend Lionel Messi ɛno kyɛ sɛ ɔmo Argentina no ɔmo support ɔmo ɛno yɛ de ba na Messi teammate ɛnɛ ɔyɛ Uber driver Messi teammate akwawe ba yɛ friend Jose Luis Gomez no a red back wotwa na so pepe ma ɛnya for the 2016 Olympic Games wotwa Argentina ɔmo say the best right back ɔmo anya nie etu akwa 2018 World Cup etu do Russia anko kobi no praye ɛnɛ abrabod na ba bedane ɛyɛ Uber driver ɛno ɛde ba yɛ jama yɛtwa update on Neymar so ni pra no recovery ni sai ɛna sitie egusua etu koso kakaka ɛno ɛna Neymar da so no na nura branche Thiago Silva etum program ɛkɔ visit Neymar ɛma bibia ɛso ɛyɛ kama fanfan na Brazilian ɛfan Endrick no akwa no nsɛm de 20 say with the face of New Balance ɔmo brand no they say ni boot no nya ba ama bia yɛ kama na mpacho they say ni brand no own brand no best similar to Michael Jordan they no what the man Nike no they say ni brand ni family no ɛsɛ on percent ebi ba ɛno yɛ secondary line say the baby affordable ama second class for no obi atmanya bi ato ne commitment no bebo ama visiting communities and a courts outdoor and yes sporting and football pitches and watching no bus sports project outdoor or bebo ama bi fine na Marcelo Gallardo as what touch it down e was Saudi or no air kwama nyame pa we be ne o mu betimi on failing no as Ali Tiad o mu new boss am a fine the maintenance say dwuma do obi dananim on say hona Benzema won N'Golo Kante and na opema Fabinho na obrama so far obebo games outdoor am a fine the contract no or best 2025 or between 20 to 25 million euros na Gallardo so opema Ali Tiad or mo and a feet our Saudi League no with 24 points or da Ahilal with 9 points and watching on next match on Al Ittifaq born on Thursday or we are Asian Champions League Group C or more and a with 9 points. Omubebo FIFA Club World Cup December 12. And we Omubebo against Auckland City. And we just said Juma Denanima or Kwakwayama Bia. I have Fabio Quaglarella as at the age of 40. What the announcement about to retire from football. Now can go away. Our team channel a ridiculous goal and was saying a Serie A 2018-19 on a G Serie A top scorer 26 goals and what 182 goals and what team shaya or the GHS our Serie A no now my young fan to an name as a techie or more bot techie for us so players no or money Germany babono and Quadano Paul boys national on some Quadano players bomb don't money now what team Quadano techie players no a room jacket at the same Quadano and man Quadasabia I want any of my brother Turkish national anthem no as we air travel and I guess Sabio Mushoya among for a bomb abaso a dear buyer ultra players no come fast you jacket outdoor at the mama a year and Quadana na F papa na no France at Gibraltar at Shawamu 14-0 and no end up my half time talk no that's the first half in some did the shams at the two players and no coaching any brave for or catch them say I shot 7 first half now record near 10 mubetime explode no monkwa mko jeje mko sesi ade no enu na mo beta 7 second half e come on 14-0 killing Mbappe picking up boy no ama so far wono ababa be 300 career goals ama be come ababa the third all-time top scorer at my France national team with 46 goals enu e de dawa ya di emam e odumade no so ebre no enya so e wo eye amanoni nsemo abra breaking it down touching it down anoking it down wo jeje mu yompo no ya in some anemum kwakumi soroma mfa happy birthday nkoma nana hima 18 birthday ne etinana me ma happy birthday ma otrim kwanya kupon shiraw na bianye kama wankasa oba ya fe Fred and say ma happy birthday and Lordina so Lordina so birthday Lordi happy birthday so ade na nyini na be panyimpa rade mo ho ban na bia enye kama emfa ma.
Betway is your gateway to a theme park full of gaming excitement. A whirlpool of wonder where your favorite games come to life. Where you can take to the skies with max payouts that reach into the millions. All in the palm of your hand. Visit betway.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply. Betway is regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Bet responsibly. Betway. Bet your way.
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no nurse na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa na sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho baabi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby agi se 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu die bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de pa ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eya sciatica ena stroke nso de pa. Diabetes ni hypertension ni ade ni ade. Ghana ha baby a wo mu ho. 0540-311-311 0540-311-311. Next 21st clinic. Wo mu ye sciatica expert.
Why say wako shop akodi dwa hodo basket mu provisions any nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay muta edru so na ukotua so a yakatira wo say unzimi chance e mechat number na so he yakeke na mum o de Vodafone cash dey a uni how cry yakako bebia yeah unzimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia on what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say what provisions well inro iniane say bia opese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash amana ye mremremra ma ye hia obeya ne say dial star 110 hash netia kakọ merchant bia ho e wo network bia so enia
Vodafone. Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef Chicken BBC is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support
support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05 444 444 53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly Fiakoko.
Royal foam mattress no. How be na me komu. Madam Pansweni na tom. Na me chika so na me huna ni na ya me ya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda so ape. Na waja me. Na me na Royal foam mattress no. How kwesi da so ape. E na oje me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oje wa Royal foam. What man relaxation aye there. I want to smile we know woman say Royal foam mattress aye papa eche aye quilted mattress in tea woda so ama wona ya foam say what mattress free Royal foam eche free pillows Royal foam aje abasobode e 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi hwehwe Royal foam showrooms and sales depots Ghana Fanenina Fred 020-227-1000 Royal Foam rest assured.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses near General Art, Science, Business, Ever St. Andrews SHS, I had dinner ever pass. Also, one teachers now. What's your one go? Discipline. Our first one was Yati. St. Andrews, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo. I can have a day. We go from say, what it from SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS. What branches be Piero or Ghana? Sapana Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schooler, go school over to Ama Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
From our clean water tanks, water which is rich with natural minerals, sourced from over 100 meters underground, is taken through purification, where our highly skilled personnel, equipped with the modern state-of-the-art laboratory, run gold standard tests to ensure that purity is 100%. Because at Obibini Blackman Company Limited, quality is our hallmark. Bottling continues immediately in a clean and hygienic environment approved by the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority. Because water is life, but unclean water is definitely not life. After years of research into water purification systems, the result is water that can compete with any other on the international market. Stay healthy and hydrated with the new Zet Natural Mineral Water.
Yamodina Yitimia to us, Michael Cyborg, or the Chelsea and Bishop near Apostle Abba Betaramo Kikwan birthday special Yeri Raman and Wahanani Amanda Yepa, Etimi Emfa Ermantugagu, Heredi Ianco, Katie Jane Emerson, and near Emerson Neda, so Apia Baby Dinko, Etimi Famana, Yamisha Papa, Nani Amanda Dina Bibia, and Kuyi Kama Pen Famaura, say now you're done. I'm a Casa and the brands and Watina, special one in Romu Famana Bibia. Etimi ended that in Yeri other ones no na yanku special one call Etimi Enfama Takia Ibrahim na Oyiji Chishwan student Urwanichimo Franco Academy ewo Bibenia Enino Ibrahim na Jeze Inaya Ibrahim nini amamonti osi apia birthday nko Etimi Enfama na nyamisha papa na nyina be pimpa na de opibia emra mu kama so Enfama other ones no emra Mercedes Ose Diakusi Eniso Mercedes Neda na Omame Lily Porsche Saki o Bantama Osine Ramu Kama kama pen fama Mercedes na yoda no nyame hia na so no nyi na be pimpa na de opi bi ewra mu kama so fama Osei Ruth Chantel happy birthday nko entimi fama Chantel na nyame hia na bibia onso no opi bia no emra mu kama so no entimi emfa ema binko emfama Prophet Samuel Sako de prophet ewo Christ Foundation Ministries International in order the happy birthday emfama prophet na ne amande da di emfama ya administrator berma usu ansa na se berma emfama prophet na bibia and the year so entimi emfama kama pa special one nko emfama ejapoma Christiana orwani HM Donkokrom fire station a hona awa abo ejuma na yoda no Christiana nyamenya insha pa no mbwa na bibia so no emra mu kama so emfama nti mamenko na meni mema no to aso ne hwe na ne amadeda na mom ne makase meches kapa nti nu ntwa ya bitwa Sompa sika promotion star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash okwa Sompa kuma wafa twagum bebre enche beba na maba be draw no migina weekend here there.
Yeah. It was a good weekend. Yeah.
Around them who come by intimation. Maybe
no, some corner between did you money way.
That was a me film.
Okay.
Timmy film them kakra.
Okay.
As I will now enjoy game.
Oh, it was okay. It was a good game. It was a good game.
And all they may fine.
We ever call a basketball. Carry even a demonstration was show solidarity the Palestine. Publicly on Kasai, but once I was activism no to me for several forms. And today I will share how I will see a crowd say me hunger strike in the idea. So carry even a year something similar. So my crowd can just enter into it. Now a weekend then I carry even now a year ne Dallas Mavericks almost team no and Milwaukee Bucks in the boy. So after the game and a year the post game press conference, you know. Kyrie Irving Kotna Sia Obano the dressing in a show into some crowd on me and call. Diego Nitrisuno increment for a omodicato with a scarf, but almost a kefia.
Oh, okay.
And not kefia nugunitriswa or granting interview or Kasaya your baby. Now, for the purposes of putting this in a proper context, Irving is a Muslim or a Muslim. He converted to Islam in 2021.
Oh, okay.
Oye Ramadan fasting, oye BBR. So he's a Muslim and Kaweni a normal. Say oye Muslim oba press conference. Now I share in Kremofo Omoata dia normal fade Edi Ababet Nasi Kasa. And then he spoke entirely about the game. And he did not mince words or mention anything related to Palestine versus Israel. One can be but it is because of the character in the past, no, and I'm among for reading meanings into saying that when he's showing solidarity to a Palestine for exhibit number 1. Kyrie Irving is not the only person to wear the keffiyeh. It shows somehow a support for Palestine. In 1990, Nelson Mandela was here and also a keffiyeh nibisa. Muhammad Ali earlier also share keffiyeh nibi. Ali was a Muslim until he converted. Mandela wasn't a Muslim. This was just a show of support to the people of Palestine. And Kyrie Irving follows in the steps of Muhammad Ali and then Nelson Mandela. But the man for GD said the entire ne or the supported Palestine. Exhibit number 2. Nempabo was practice Friday before game no on Saturday no. Na Empabuano watrowo say no more genocide.
Oh, okay.
The story as told by the Palestinians, any or more must empathize with them. And they say, dear Israel for you, a deliberate attempt some of the Palestine for Nase, normal for Masase. So they think that a typical of several genocides are recorded across the world. The Jewish Holocaust, now Adolf Hitler and so many allies perpetrating against the Jews. I can't move. Africa here, there is a Rwandan genocide. It was involving 2 tribes, the Tutsis and the Hutus. And clearly, so no said no more genocide. He's showing the human aspect. So humanity must prevail. 2, he's showing solidarity to the oppressed as against the oppressor. But as it stands now, the current act of inhuman activities across the world. Palestine for Etiom. So if Kyrie Irving controls no more genocide, it means he's aligning to the pleas, the sufferings, the plight of the people of Palestine. And here one. Then Oya Weni in area or also be posted to Twitter. This was somewhere last month. October 1 of Betroto was a anyone was say obie ni wa out. About condemning the several acts of inhumanity against the people of Palestine. This publicly tweeted, and clearly he is supporting the people of Palestine by the latest show of activism. Or Shes Kefi Anediaba. Kyrie Irving becomes the biggest basketball star, and to some extent, the biggest star to come out and voice or show support for whatever is happening. NBA never take action and I doubt. Because LeBron James about show support for Israel. Nobody did anything. It put the NBA in a proper situation and a proper story. Said they are favoring one as against the other. So this thing will go on. Sports stars maybe better the bold ones no back said they will come out and then speak out against Nyoma Ekosua and also Ntimi Ntwaye. And this was one of the highlights of the weekend during basketball to football. Yes. Look at your story be not say Jose Luis Gomez, once a teammate of Messi. The story is told of Jose Luis Gomez, not a starter. El Argentina Olympic team no at the 2016 Olympics. And he was seen as somebody anchor. He was walking straight into the Argentine setup, but for injury. And it's true. 2016 Olympic Games, a year after, on the first call up at the Argentina national team in 2017 June. Yes. There Argentina versus Brazil, the first game for Jorge Sampaoli as Argentina coach. Your friend and that game also marked the end of Argentina national team. Exactly in the 52nd minute of pride. Now that injury now, Jose Luis Gomez Sapphire, he never got back to his stride again. When seen that day will be on. A prano pride. When seen that day will be on. A meniscus injury. So Otia and the meniscus, what happened was that he came back. But when Timmy and Bob on it said they also able, and our Boca this one, no way practice. So after that injury, he's not even played up to 60 matches at the professional level. And and say now he's not really a professional footballer, or semi-professional. And to the papa no musem, or say or training nearby the obeya. When him say be a squad in fano, into our car do fear. No, I bet not can be acquired the Uber business. But this was a promising player. He was not young. Not young star, but he was on the rise because so what to me Real Argentina national team in the space of 1 year Olympic Games were both the senior national side now and Kawoki Kaku anymore no. And Argentina were in the period of rebuilding then. So it means they were in need of players on very fresh lineup no. And this guy would have fitted straight in. Making come away the rim into the injuries I recorded during this international window. My name is Wakaya. That be then the latest one I say extreme pass. ACL injury and not from. Many players get ACL injuries and then return they are not their old self. That's your durable player or betting about it. Or or the who say is aggressive. For a young boy whose dream and it's one of the biggest clubs, not just in Spain but in Europe, in Barcelona. As I saw body man the national team the biggest speech is about major tournaments and so they are mom. Now, the injury now as a fan, it jeopardizes his chances of playing at the next European Championship because all other things being equal. ACL there, actually it's one about 6 months. 6 months in craft now Obabe return you. No about training. How many matches now beat me about by the time Obabe fully fit, now season year Anessa. So he might not even get enough competitive fixtures a better ready for the European Championship. Why? It was in a game I don't want to say a dead rubber. If you be proud, obedient to me by Obasimo, obedient to me by training grounds. Santiago Canizares, Spain goalkeeper and commanding 2002 World Cup. There in the Prano, a shaving stick. Or in a body there in the try. When Timmy and Bedago Pasias and Kodemo. So injuries can happen at any time. But there are ways to prevent injuries. And not limiting the number of matches players play within a year cycle. Yes. I think that we are going so much interested in Sikana Yebenye free ball, the commercialization and also the over commercialization of the sport. I mean, a real free say, a nipa near the Omudia Gudiano, the new robot.
Boys.
Exactly, and they are engaging their muscles. Or through Mika, or yet they obey training. Muscle no year training in, and there is a supposed wear and tear that will happen eventually. And whether you like it or not, nature will catch up with you. Two players, the Bregana, there. The case of a Jerry Ackerman, or be proud by when seen that they will be Dinaston was a fine striker for West Ham, England for friend national team. And I shot by Phillips Cotier now, so Dinaston did not play football consistently. Obanoko. So injuries are the devil, and the devil most footballers. And come here, just say player possibly most players will buy it. But what are the organizers of the sport or more sports in the zone? They're no more here to protect most of these players from getting some of these avoidable injuries. There are several initiatives. Manfo Bebra suggested, as Wenger even suggested, an off-season tournament. But in the course of the season, you deal with a psychological burden. Obama club, Obama nation, season back home, then the physical burden also comes in. The pressures therein. People blame the coach, say, when you see players on your French. He's also building a team ahead of the next European Championship. Ono kroya okonwa nkwagia enti oboni team we comfortable with na ebuano mani timi hihye say na the program no so esietie. So Gabi is the latest victim of this ongoing over commercialization of the game. Si ebedia tum say ball no sikapeno ye di enim kan ama say ni ye dream players ne ho te say there was here omo ho a it will make us understand see so Europe sports Nations League European Championship qualifiers World Cup qualifiers then European leagues no domestic at club level the Intercontinental Champions League Europa League and now Conference League or we are about domestic cup competitions. One year careful if you play for a top European side they say Barca Real Madrid in the season you can play over 16 games. League Nenkwa 38 cup matches so back could do final. You are likely to play no less than 8 matches. Yes. Then what about Champions League? No less than 8 matches. No the other national team competitions near there.
Champions League
Club World Cup. Let's think more exactly. Players need but let's look at this quantity over quality and I prefer quality over quantity. Kayabo matches kitwebia. Players will always give their best at optimum levels, and then plan is also better, so we can have them for prolonged period.
But on the World Cup, also time na ekobo na mwa guys,
No.
And they cry na you.
I say it's Kasemia. Exactly. Why did we play the World Cup around that period? It's because Qatar near the World Cup. No. Sad time, not climate, weather conditions, favorable kakra. In between the season. How much rest did they even get? A core off season near real club football. Then national team activities also continue.
Wow, me give out it.
Young players.
Call Bishop on no. Timi and to kama pana ne man di. Professor na bibia boko de.
Bibia de di.
Me nim say unim say man we friend Mr. Nelson or More Plus TV. How no yejuma. Then the last was your bar fisunya no meti.
Yeah, I
also make catch also check. Mr. Nelson More Plus TV.
Channel.
John so no. Pepsi di no fin dia go. To make catch the Mr. Nelson. No boss no More Plus TV for ni na echa. Mo weekend na ye de.
Enyamia.
And now me tize na baba me hwe wa ma.
Oh, na me ho.
Me hwe wa na me tize na
me your joint on the point na ko yen central juma kakra.
Oh, okay.
The coffee fan ma buy but come on fire budget na buy.
Budget there.
Baba ya there.
Sa. O family robu kakre. Ala de ba tietia so ya. Okay, Mate there go. Bye.
It's a beautiful morning. Baby, I will be out near the Juma to pay us in a show.
Sompa sports.
Mr. Century, managing director of Samatex company. Me Nambiha and I'm having some more kind. Samatex premium movie. Yeah, Tony and in your banning, you the boy pa. Suddenly, Bama Jumubia, Nancy, the future Beton, isn't Yami shop.
Yami shop.
Boako, Sally, and Yassam Kitwa. Frimpon, Holy John, Osi. Oh, if you ask us a query, and there Osi the birthday. Frimpon, Holy John, Emma, very heavy.
Yam, everything is keeping you. Me chama Holy John Osi. Kanyasa one day.
And Osi, baby.
That's a pa, yes, I can Osi there.
Macla,
Holy John, Medasepa.
Osi, happy, baby. You are such a good man. I mean, unshow. Oseakuto Kanu is also another very
yeah.
Take FM. Kanu,
yeah, Chama,
oh, any papa. Or more would diminish when him catch us the old year, and yes, sir.
Yes,
Sompa Sports.
Oh,
Sompa Mechama.
It's a good one.
Now booking.
I'm sure. That's Sikapa. Sikapa
the Chama. Oh, you hustler too much. We won't be that bishop. You know, hustler, but Sikapa, we won't be that. Sikapa,
driver and vehicle licensing authority, Henry, or say Asai, Miana, say Asai, and then the birthday, Henry, happy birthday. You are a top guy. Then Cotton Cotia, you see Fabio Palerella, or the boot Nina go. Bema baby, one baby at 40, Quagliarella, I see where Jaibo no bo. You'll be to me, it's beautiful. You are 2023.
Yes.
Quagliarella made his debut as a 17-year-old for Torino in Serie A. Until be to me, I can say, from then, Quagliarella bought actively for 23 seasons of top flight football. Now roll back the years. So 2023, we free 2018-19 season, just 5 years ago. At 35, Quagliarella was the top scorer and now the capo cannonier in the Italian Serie A. It's a distinct career for him. Quagliarella ball from under 18 to every level for the Italian national teams. Oshego. Wow. Under 18, under 19, under 20, under 21. Quagliarella made his debut for Italy in 2007.
2007.
Italian first team.
Wow.
Azzurri. Tima Italy did back Euro 2008. No, not Fabio Quagliarella Eka. Tima Italy did back Confederations Cup 2009. That was South Africa. Quagliarella Eka. Tima World Cup 2010 was South Africa. Not Quagliarella. Quagliarella Eka with his time at Juventus. Well, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 3 consecutive seasons. He was a league winner with Juventus.
Yeah.
No call Napoli. Unknown. I don't know if you. He's a Napolitan. You make Kanye Pa on the Ezekiel Pocho Lavet.
Pocho.
And American Sheikh Eda Omechi. Walter Mazzari in the time. And they qualified them into the Europa League. The last match about Napoli won the Europa League. So he's a journeyman. Ascoli, Fiorentina, Torino. He's played for 8 different teams. And one of the sharpshooters in Serie A is bowing down. It's been a distinguished career for him, especially at club level, because he's one of the few players who have won Serie C, Serie B, and then Serie A.
Was that record?
Yeah. Serie C to non Fiorentina.
Wow.
Now, Adebakwa made the kind of yes, Montenegrin striker and Melko Vucinic. Error, I shall go be in the draws. Get the video, not in the sack. So he's seen it all. He's been through it all. But the good thing is that he's exiting at a time that Italy has strikers of his caliber.
Or few time on here. Now 18 players in a bishop. They don't want more so special Bob watches.
You see, one, I really anyway, oh, Doctor Mamma, I said Doctor no Krobu. Then and then the day of one, the climate is different from other parts of Europe.
Sompa Sports.
And they know how to evolve. Quagliarella not a winger, or be an attacker. He was a bit deep. Only no Bobo need more. Look at Pedro, Mancini, Maldini, even Conte himself.
Yes.
You find a number of these guys. There was this striker at Udinese. Di Natale. For anything, they evolve.
Costa Cuta also watch it.
Oh, this team, Hellas Verona, Cabo Verona. No more striker behind the team will pass. Or Boche. Usana or her sports highlights, no. Giuseppe Signori, and Bologna. More Boche. And it's from one generation to the other. And you've got to respect how they go about their craft. And so a ball. And it's nice to see that a player of his caliber is actually exiting. I think that no beyond show. No more consider go. I'm no more the longest unbeaten run in international football until they met Marcelo Bielsa. It might not be today, but I mean, at times I say Uruguay, be one of the contenders for the next two Copa Americas.
Uruguay.
There's something is brewing there. You could clearly see.
They are Bibi Ashasi, you know.
Oh, yeah, Bibi. Who say Bibi almost shame Bibi. Ntimi wakumia Bibi be the chairman of phone. So Facundo Pellistri. Who knew to that winning Scrana Hamu. Facundo Pellistri. Born up Uruguay, different from the Manchester. And on Chirukrane say Akra. Why are you say Obabobra? Obabozia.
Moabobra.
Omoni Argentina no here match ni just before the match I'm a Obama sports. It took Pablo Aimar for like a minute or two no on Ukraine you know. Marcelo Bielsa no Chile is there for everybody to see. Koku and the generation no build there no. And the Copa America no. And they did so well. Now over here this was a team after the World Cup people were genuinely asking saying Uruguay our next generation of players no win. Why more? Darwin Nunes. One of them flanking no Cavani ni Suarez. Oba yo mumio numbo. Wako Mexico. Wako fa player period de aba. Georgian de Arrascaeta. Ni into that's what Brazil. Ebo. Nicolas de la Cruz. He's playing. Look what you say. What should be among.
Also na IFA di vava di omo captain.
Massa. Young boy. Maybe not Dries Mose Ugarte. So he's literally developing a system that would improve everybody. And in a matter of time, especially on the continent, they are a great nation on the continent. And Jibiaki, there will be a sound conversation about the rebirth of Uruguayan football. Nania Denise, years after say we're free on because Chile did and now is San Paoli. So we are bankwa dia ubetwa swaba. Crowd show more build out. But say crowd the craving to compress. Look at why he did at Leeds and why he left. There's always a handiwork. Of course, we job bibi ubusufia and better family trap. Now you Montenegro ni Hungary for no. And then I'm Radani. Sandor Porsches and then French Pushkas more time no. Now if you guys were a major force, Kwame Nkrumah actually aligned us to Europe and Hungary because of their prospects in sports. And I know our French Puskas Arena, how much Montenegro should want to qualify for their 5th European Championship. Rebecca said they were in Spain in '64. They were in the semi-final, 72 mobile. Oman qualified Bima until Baris Zuzak. They know what PSV Eindhoven no, and they won back 2016. On it, Kirali, goalkeeper, and then Adam Jalai. Portugal bought 3-3.
Yes.
Group game.
Yes.
Now at the French Pushkas Arena, they've qualified for the 3rd consecutive European Championship. They were in 2016, they were in 2020, and they are now coming to 2024. Gabi Asamna Mokano. Somebody who must take note and cue from that. Dominic Spochline. Even at a young age, he was a shining star for them. En route to qualifying for the European Championship in 2020. Including Budapest.
Yes.
No operative here. Or qualify or movie. Enra, I'm qualifying no num in Sabi, our park. So if you can get the video and send a friend Palinka, a fruit brandy, sir. But yeah, she was like now to or no video or no on I sound on no more park. No, we are no here on the fans and sunny. And so we know. Didn't know how no back could you not come. Incredible your movie TV. Good. But then it has a route. And so we are in Tino. I shall be a friend the Carpathian Mountains. I want to move a side your banner or move a day, sir, Palinka. Now, ultras, no, and I said national team supporters, no, they're from the Carpathian Brigade. Because they no more deals of money. Sompa you know about brigade, no. Have no more monster. Maybe I'm more holding free the source of their strength. Okay. I'm not back and no one much adeba. No more be Genema dinner. Let's enjoy some of the bits.
És akkor az egész stadion énekeljen egy jó nagyot. Az éjjel soha nem érhet véget.
So clearly, I mean, this is a national team captain at 23 years. He's qualified them. It's so human. Almost 14 months old. They've gone almost. It's Argentina at the end of the I'm now the longest unbeaten run in European international football. Wow. So, where qualification now? Any players normal team. Marco Rossi, why are there?
Sompa Sports.
Because Hungary don't have household names. Attila Jalai, Hoffenheim. Shmoshalai, goalkeeper Gulashi, Leipzig. Why do you? Adam Jalai Kronio, Adam Hagimo. They don't have a decent team. Enunti, Mususunu, Holland, any Odegaard. They are building a team. They are young. At some point, Holland, they would come back. Odegaard. And maybe best one back here. Nusa. Nusa must come. Okay. Wait, to ask about okay. Check a crack. Check a crack.
Never feel needing come on. I'm there. Oh, save me, Brabi Yan Wahamame. Ukrumo de Dibia. Dibia. Adi Mirana Marco Apostle Sonaya Bomodi team. And I'm on Super promotion. Oh, Aquina Sobeban Wababi Kid. Macasene. 500 Ghana City, 500 Ghana City in Namiche. Etimera Manco 40 star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash. Now what room now? Nani Madda di Imperial Mount 21st Connect 7 car Vajo Zebra. Nabra Biromo Maseri. Jmo Mobana Ready. Siatic Uncomo. Ote ya pedi about team year 21st Connect. Gizanzomo. Ere Boahem conformo Munyaya isa. Enyaya isa ni ye papa. What transfer Matthias Sintino. A trichwa mane until bra. 21st in the community expecting Siatica. Yarwa would run outside hypertension, stroke, hepatitis, ne the akaka, and I know you keep to akra. Or Masueno from Tisubabisu National, your brainy ass for money about now so when you are Sanama did the instead. I'm more lab case. You do so soon, baby. I can share your bomb de 80 aswano, 80 Edia Manascan services on your massage and Macan. Say Friday be after work to 4 na ye best Sunday machine treatment account where now when I'm next season. So more than 15 branches Ghana Bibia or Mubujuma Kumasi overseas junction on Benafro Radio or Bossy Council Court Tesco Junction Binomo Accra Domi Market to Sunyani in Kranzana teaching man Faramano 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 about the weekend in a
and said oh, so him said incident as to Coach Maxwell, definitely my relation with him, and it'll be a me take care of the professional responsibilities when it comes to management. And yeah, they are meeting like I say, yeah. So baby soon, yeah. So
you be wrong.
Oh yes, you be something to say, yeah, and I'm so there be a whole year. Honor might be a coffin, but Nyan is home. I mean, he's speaking this morning, so the most important thing is that. Well, Emmanuel Cup Champions League, Mano Aberia. Now, on semi sports. Adiba Akwa SCA AFN said 2021 Sundowns had a red card. Regina Mogolola, but they won against Azakes. Last year, red cards, no operation woman. 2 red cards, 2 centre backs. Zanelo Lampo ball centre back way. Roda Moloji against 11. Because the project was ASFA, it's a Morocco winning. So that's gone. Now share this particular tournament from almost first game of boy against Sporting. They were the same group. Sporting Casablanca. They were the same group.
Yes.
Almost sure 1-0. No. I'm by JKT Queens of Tanzania. Don't forget the JKT Queens. I did Tony Simba Queens. Last year Simba Queens. And then Omuni and the Toko Abidjan. I'm tournament. No. So from that time, that game no more chance. Yes, over. In fact, defensively they are excellent. Excellent. And over the fact that coming to this particular tournament, Jerry Shabalala were 3 defenders Omuye injured as the coach. Omuye injured. Key, they were part of the team last year before they came to this particular tournament. Now, going to the tournament after Atletico Abidjan gave Omoba semi-final, ASFA, so the revenge of 4-0. Last year, almost off our final. Then this one, 1-0. Then the final problem. Sporting Casablanca, Sebiu, Omunya Bats, they are only a debut, first time, Omo Sheda, and your experience, Sundowns, this is the 3rd consecutive final.
Sompa Sports.
And this is the 3rd consecutive finals. So in terms of experience, even technical quality of players, and the investment into the team, it was super. So Sports, Omuni JKT Queens, Omu share 4-1, Omu ze Emudao. Then against Yenzo, Yemin Ampimdakwa. That was a game we should have won, but Yantime winning, then they qualify. Now the final proper, trust me, way more Sundown like Mikato and Sundown went gun-blazing. That is what champions do. But Tumela Rebala, or the best player, will come there. Lesotho national women team captain, or a brilliant, intelligent, great control of the ball and could pass out the whole that play very well. Beautiful, brilliant player. Jibono, Frilinda, Nolelia, or a share Pems Samaba. Then the top scorer, of course, referee the Bogo, Botswana girl. Brilliant, brace. Don't forget, SSC and share 5 goals. Never in the tournament has it happened before. Leluana Daveti and share 4 goals last season. I'm not sure if it's down. Now, historically, Ono share 5 goals in the tournament. Wow. History of the tournament when it started 2021. And for me, I can say goalkeeper Andrew Dramani, one of the best goalkeeper. He was excellent. Not for he's a national team goalkeeper for Bayana as well. Brilliant. Andy Zlampo, or both central center, but they play a 3-back system. Karabo Dlamini, member of the national team. Yes. Karabo Machubereshi, also the same thing. Uba Amphibian, the national team. Nohalia Mitandi, national team. Kolosa Piana, Obo number 8, national team. What else here? Oko Medica Dieti, national team. Now don't forget all this girl, Shani Moriria Ball, left wing back. From 2021, they've been part of the team till now. And Omakofa Boitolu Abba. And Omakofa, refill with free Malabo Kings. Here. So, I mean, and look, you watch they are close on the technically quality.
All the way to grabs there, but fine and give a brew.
Was it? Oh, Masa. It's like Bayana, about half of Bayana and about. Masa, Oba, you check the control, the touch. So there. So it's been wonderful, great performance from them. Almost deserve you all the best. Fair play, no kind of community. Almost your discipline. I video quite useful them. If we go no quite useful. Masa, the talent on display. Emi they say, in African football kakaka ye be. This is the third edition. We say you have 5 new clubs on mobile. And she said Nibre Eba. Who's a Ziampinda Kwama Azaka Square didn't build.
Yes.
Aha. The same who's a JKT Queens, Abba, Onoma, Simba Queens, or baby, Abba, your Hurricanes so free. Equatorial Guinea, almost Malabo Kings or Queens, or by almost Atabi. We have Sporting Casablanca, almost a new side. Your Atletico Abidjan, new side. So 5 new debutants. Uji AS Monday. Ni AS Monday was part of Omamba 2021. No AS Far, no Soundanza. 5 new. And then you want say the next competition ever no. You benya more new one because Kabim. So beautiful. All the best players. I mean goalkeeper, best goalkeeper. No. Another guy can now also okay, I see. So we have $400,000 and he ran up 250. I mean that 200. Hazak is near fortunate crowd. You get to the final time of free I'm been $200,000.
Oh, okay.
Yes, for being a semi-final $200,000. Yes. Wow. Who they are there? We won't call final some brothers can him. So it's the first champion. Even though semi-final they are $200,000 worth. That's a fantastic. That's sky somebody investing because next year they will have to go. Once I would do semi now, 200. Do final 250. So in terms of it being lucrative, very lucrative to get to at least quarter because quarter final 150. So they say we are 100,000. So very lucrative. Once I group no 100,000. $100,000.
We all qualify crowd. We fast forward so far.
The answer we knew zone. Say what for zombie we near. Now the answer we near 100 the 1 year they cry down. That's and let's give time to party to be done. Great job. And my bono. I bet do baby best member then about 16 and the very 4 it will be very very but we organization Ivory Coast actually said they're ready for the AFCON organization was spot on. And Kolibali gone stadium, Amadou Stadium. That's very beautiful, wonderful stadium. I'm going to Abidjan. I'm for a plus. Papa. Now ATP. Now I'm Masano. There's South African music. Asano crowd most side where they every way. They've done well. ATP top final. Now, but Dr. Patrice Mochepi, we're winning African Football League, Mamelodi Sundowns, remember? I mean, in the past 1 week, as the coach Jerry Shabalala, what team the teams Aji 2 trophies, so remember? Yes. Hand over the trophy to Najumana. Almost share man difference being him. And the only team, first 3 finals, they be there. And
Chava that will go destroy everything. I don't want to yes, I'm not a boy. I was already come off. I put this everything. Last time I reported on Bishop Toro about it. Hey, I was supposed to do myself.
Okay,
but I am okay. The cocoto, red label, the black label, 3 bottles. At the back feet, a best at alarm rings. I did channel Pana, you could see your friend Amba.
But as it goes beyond that, Charlie, yeah, part of the Jineme, there are a lot of things that goes against people. Oh, yeah, a lot of spiritual. And easy. Imanoyate, one day I'll come and tell you the story of the family and the reason why Yate couldn't rise to the top.
Okay.
I mean, incredible talent. Incredible. Maybe me person me but the same family, the same my sister. Oh yeah, enough.
What I want to say, simply I'm working on me bobo. Scantina me bobo. My bobo na manyami ashimonu munyam. Ya be family ako. Scana me peno. Ye dia mamio. Me so great training am aboada.
There untia so who no say procedure ideal no but me kan niam
I don't think about
niam Emma sa de no nyansan nim no. Yes, and near my way, me boba piska. Me tag and say, my baby, I said, be quite a see, mammy.
Madrid for a family could do ya. Tam also say, me could have my book.
So that's ATP top finals. Novak once again has proven. So see, when a bet team, nobody will be a one. So bet team, Novak. Well, Crawford, the Benjamin and Fatima, Novak Djokovic, I mean, listen, Mami Tina and Sanamakoso is the definition of tennis.
Novak, sei per l'8ª volta il miglior giocatore del mondo e oggi penso che solo tu ci puoi dire quello che senti in questo momento.
Credo che iniziamo in italiano, che proviamo almeno. Una cosa dire, grazie per belle parole Yannick, anche io devo ritornare queste belle parole a te e al tuo team e famiglia, congratulazioni per la buonissima settimana, ovviamente che non è puoi stare orgoglioso.
Yannick Sinner, or a top player, 22 years. Or Djokovic, or no Djokovic, Hogarun, Stefano Tsitsipas, and a Yannick Sinner, say round robin.
Yeah.
Or try Djokovic 2-1.
Wow.
Yes, in a group. I mean, sublime passing shot and rally scrum. Fan respect a friend say Djokovic. The ground stroke with precision. This young 22-year-old boy. And the final, soon Novak said be a penny 6-3. Brilliant performance for Novak Djokovic. Excellent from the 22-year-old Italian. Wonderful performance. Once again, Carlos Alcaraz, Makana Samacho, he lost to Zverev and lost the semi-finals again to Novak Djokovic. Since winning Wimbledon, he's lost US Open to Dani Medvedev semi-final. Oba China Open, we're losing China Open to Jannik Sinner semi-final. Oba Shanghai Master, we lose Shanghai Master Grigor Dimitrov. Okor, Canadian Master, loses to Tommy Paul. He's lost to Roman Sigalfen, our Paris Masters. Losing Carlos Alcaraz, losing. His trainer, Juan Carlos Ferro, I saw him be psychological about it. And yes, sir, like Novak, and one year, he'll be nowhere near Rafael Nadal. But at the back, we want to say, we participation fee, we a chance slam. Participation fee at $325,000. Ubo round robin match, the Novak winning 2 matches, $780,000 at the group stage because losing to Jannik Sinner. Semi-final at $1.1 million. That would put together $2.2 million. Final only at 2.2, so he made $4.4 million. Djokovic winning Australian Open or trial, Stefan Tsitsipas, he made $3 million. Carlos Alcaraz winning Wimbledon against Djokovic, making $2.93 million. ATP tough and I want to say, top 8 master $4.4 million for Novak Djokovic.
Wow.
And Jannik Sinner $3.1
million.
Yes.
And I sent out
$3.1 million.
And I'm going to need that's on the break.
Okay.
I'm going to need that's on
the Sinner 100,000 bro.
That don't Luther King. That they be a Luther King.
Oh, okay.
The Opera Academy Luther.
Now that 100,000 in your baby, but 100,000 better.
But the best for now, fucking a chair.
Oh, okay.
Bishop, what did you call that? Because that's not amazing. I like every family that this you. To the best for now, that is a me come in media. What does ever do somebody on the bed? I may not be doing first. Me no, we have Sukuma Lewa. It's all your boy. Your back, I mean. Maybe I'm 4.4 for the Diablo Luta.
100 now, so we're doing $400,000. Abu, I don't know if it's okay. But you see, tennis, if you are making other sports are making more money than football.
Yes. Oh, 4.4.
This year, Iga Swiatek, last year this year, she's made $24 million.
24?
Yeah. Wow. And you have no idea the kind of endorsement. Because each Masters is worth winning $1 million, $1.2 million. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. So Ghana, for instance, when we used to have tennis clubs, with time, someone decide to invest in tennis. You have no idea. Check for my before year and a check for my. We can start from somewhere. And here, credit tennis there. We've been there. You are African Zone 3 and Great Britain, Tin Herman, our class sports stadium. So, on my any vision when it comes to sports, any direction, any vision, you have fast castle-ship. Because tennis, Abianca Cremon about tennis. What do I say? And then, first round of a slammer, who pay $35,000. One Sankra, Fitiasiano, one of $35,000. Ukraine, you try to qualify,
but Africans in the empire. Who's South Africa or the Kenyan?
Kenyan is finals. All about this.
most.
Yes,
but as a Africans, no, you mean about the empire.
No, and yes, sports are yet to me introduced as a major sport for us. South Africa, because of Profonus, on Jabeni Papa and invest into no for a long time in France or academy. What do you say? So that is it. But we don't invest in that football anymore. Boxing, football, and boxing. But and then no, other sports. Football, me can other sports. Football. How many footballers am I almost catch from weather? What do you say? Nemo investment, vision, emre, logistics, facilities. Your court crowd. Across position tennis court.
Also, Mama Kika Messi ni kakra ene kuma mingu wao. Baba out there. La so ye show. Beje o bibi na.
To wa kuma si nyina tennis court. Say young boys o kuma so somebody tennis o going.
Sompa sports. Mama Kika Messi is ni kakra na member na yeni komo Richard the Sikoma ne de no. Everybody will testify you had hard work, and I feel the way you do foreign news fire. No, but what the team here to also come pa. I was Vicenza, am I powerful? And Kali, Hari, Boha, Misunku, Malewa, Siasa, Pedro Amaldini Cruz. Keep up the good work. Somewhere and Cha. All this while people didn't notice Uruguay's performance until they beat Argentina. Indeed, every team Messi play for becomes the standard. Quality Lewandowski, thank you for the good education today. And amongst the grand patron, in-depth analysis from Asai Bodu, now born in Samamiki. And also know the other Barbarian Richard, the Sikoma, once again, Sompa, more hit you do, and also know the other Babi Raman Afi, hard guy, Kubodu, grand patron, Nadia once again, Babi Raman, a girl saying injuries is normal in football. And I will simply tell your panelists that it was shaving stick MZ no krami kedi kan aka ho asem ne ade na senti kanisa is there no na or Babi Ram Aaron Babako. Good morning to your great show. Greetings to Madam Adnora and the general manager of Peace Skills Hub Africa. Mate Odasono the Adeba Sika Gary ya here ne kama pantiko na koko ampon kwatin ne de no we can ampon the videos ni bu ebetimi abon TV ba Facebook on fa copyright on zezem no anga program no kra wo so nya hwe no ebe di so be nya hwe na abonti no ya na fa bibi no ya na mama ne gine sa na aboa na adwuma de no kama pa na bibi bia so no etimi ayi Azuma Daniel. Hi, I think you are being fair to other teams in Ghana football. Well, if Kotoko lose, you invite ref on. I do na ye do bibia Azuma say Kotoko lose, you invite ref man ba na nim say ref ko da bi oba say Kotoko renew ko da bi a GPS strategy Azuma anya sa na tie eze Kotoko di ntwa na akofa ref so mechechim Kotoko lose or renew obodra ukodi be a ref ba e baba be rambo ama nyama dadi Cobra Morgan, where's transfer man wo obeti nkan why ono nzu be ram na waboa na dwumadi no akokama kan pa na the other ones no menyi yimfefio ansa na ya hwe na yakua nim na aboa na bibibia nso no etimi adedadi na ebibia akua na wanche me baba be me fresh John to Sompa Sika promotion star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash muntwangum na mundiska no bebre when you do 18 years so qualify zones no be twaba ko 5 Ghana no tu twadu mebeboa amanema ko ye pera Daniel Shombo abin Lukaku has scored 14 goals and hey boys, we Frank Lati, good afternoon, and I'm watching you live from Dubai. Kotoko all the way. Nedio no said about Babi Ram no get rich Zonic. Zidra Fuenti has blood on his hands. What did Barcelona do to him for him to be such heartless to their best players? It was Pedri then, now Gavi. I pity Lami Yama. Babi Ram no. Sami Chumando. The club has been saying this for a long time, but the decision makers keep ignoring him. It's a huge dilemma. Kendrick Lamar, update on Manchester United news. MSN looked at the Baba Ramu Shunipa. Good morning. My name is Shunipa, and I'm watching live from Zongo. Fantastic sports, no size, more fire, fabulous all the way. Osman men, a fan watching live from Adria, and I feel short cross or being Najima. Hi, please. I want Michael to give me a view on Boston Celtic performance this season, if they can win the championship, and how he sees the signing of Porzingis to their side. MSO Baba Himchina, Etimi Edia Mananema, Adenimpa, Jima Skyton, Argentina all the way, Abdul Malik Fosu Jr. watching live from Manso Abu. Good morning, Yerasi John 49 Sport, Fire Moji Mohamed Shaif Idrusu. Good morning, some passport, more fire. Etia no Mariana Menam, said I can't say and Fama the Royal Foam Ghana Limited Maka said the Royal Foam mattress on GB Awakachi, Konako Jibutwa. Ye chose near Pabera Sofa, Padi Ababro, Papa, now Pomanema de ye paid a mattress and a chair, Oda Susa, Mequemi, Amachiamiano, Nina Twitch, Munjuma Penti, your Bomodia Good Award, and no, the 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award. You organize the 20th anniversary mode 2 and also 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Award. No, you sign MOM Award and 2 per mattress, Papa, and one the Royal Foam mattress, and Minya Quina to form us, Koyama Ponako, Echo na New Ultra Modern Showroom. Diaba, Ehupa, Nema, Tonton, or Kettins, no, could be in pound size via PBR on Sabbath. I can't bono, or from to the phone number on Tomonka 0202 271,000 0202 271,000. Ralph rest assured, or Madaroma, Mamena, my credible pet near room, Namon Sompa, Sika promotion star 256 star free hatch. Me come by up, me babe, me first drone, Munkana 77 Bako, Air 5 Gunners in them one year. We come by up, yet yes, enough is not to us.
Stand to win your share of up to 10 million Ghana cedis in prizes with Betway's Scratch and Win. You can earn your first scratch card by playing table games, slots, or quick games. Scratch and reveal a range of exciting prizes from smartphones to fuel vouchers and more. Visit www.betway.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Bet responsibly. Betway. Bet your way.
Sompa Achadie. Yaba. Sompa Achadie. 2023. Bible say, Name Sompa Pam say, Ubiko Nyanka, any Risiamo, and Lutina Sompa, 93.1 Kumase, Sompa, 90.7 Nkransa, Sompa, 98.9 Sunyani, Yakabom, February, Yabema Enisia, any Akrafo, Editi, na Yankuayet, I just hold a Brian, and Jessica, Fatua Matrufoiso, 0598 559802, meeting beam, 0598 559802, Edina Hospital 1 Media, Brana Bosome, Nina Toswent Ruba, Co, the Boja Trada, Nadia Motor Tumayeno, Yadiama Craft. Sika, Naya Sumasua, Ubetimi Yaba, Afensu say, near maybe answer ye, Tisamo, any Alasua, Jebeji, Mua be a fear travel, and what as the Mua Sompa Achadie 2023, Episode 4, Nafire Wisdom, na property prepare word Ponkomu, Yenya Kopon, Obi Ye, Sompa Achadie 2023, Ekuna 4, and Enyankaneso, one petit.
Hey, Sawa, me watch you. I may be so quite brutal.
Kwaku, afraid I will be cool. Then cats are cranny.
Hey, I didn't make a connection for the Kofosi Cadre when you tell the Musan.
Oh, Express Group had diamond. I quit to IF4. Open so to Quanco Siandia. Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, any Germany. Say a tour and as a visit in Sua. Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, any Germany. More person with 2 kwanko ye jumanso. Obet me do wako Dubai, Qatar, and as South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi as a full labor roundabout account so a more Nation First Light, Tama or more Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more much show for you so 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Ashford. Nah, Ashford. That's so evident, no way.
Who that the evidence bank? I don't need Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes, no. We're one of different types. Chef, I've been a boy, Ashford Princess, and I'll could you do so Ashford Galaxy. Would you know so Ashford Evident? Media so Ashford Executive, and now my media no so Ashford Friendly.
That Ashford toothbrush card.
My dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do it.
Hey, Papa, hey, Moto.
But to me, Bob do me here, Danny Bia, Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, me Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes, and your Fibo Ventures now go Faber Dasso. It's 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes, they were so winning.
November to remember that we have food for thought to me. November, I have faith anniversary and the Liberty Conference. November edition. You will free. Oh my, I do watch it. April. On Yamia Manitumi. Our food for thought to 14 November. Liberty Conference. Pass on Yamini Mwadini. And Vision. Someone Yakasa. Or if we don't have it, Yoruba. Chichemusia. Revelation chapter 21. Verse 6. It is down. And upon 25th November, I am at 248. Ola SK, Ola Kwakujes, Great Sandy Asaro, and the President Minister Kwame Chetupetu. I'm a Yamu. What if you had the metaphor? 25th November, Liberty Conference. On Yankropon, as the Gusach, can Kania or Danis Obish, no Baka say, it is done. Oh, glory, glory, glory.
Alright, ya momo de na yetimi eltwaso na afise mi ramu kama yetimi fama de meba na mabo modi ababa be me first draw on star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash kwa Sompa kuma so momo nko ade a twa na fa gum na eba ni se ni eba ba be ya na utwa no dodo a eye den a wona ma no EDBPT star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash first gum se meka emfa choza kwenya na ba me mamom re kakra na ma baba betwa na ne obekwa ama no ne akọ akusua ade adesua no kra boaje scholarship etimi ere ma and izeme wo mreze ne ebebo na international exam tuition registration no say about IELTS no SAT no GRE no GM18 no TOEFL no de akaka no ya boa na ya yetimi ede amount sa a visa won sense ticket won sense mo beso ko ekoko farm no ne ba holidays na peso dia ni na express group we na yetimi aboa Canada USA UK Australia New Zealand Germany yedo ekwa akwa adwuma pom bonti Ghana omo miamia bibra ni na mo ne boa man hye no kunye pretimi ede ama kumase asa flavor about to be on Accra Kaneshi First Light to nyom tema community 18 last be Goyo Filling Station na jeso omo ewo ho a omo bu adwuma East Legon no do wani chemo Trinity Theological Seminar nyom na fi takrade na market circle no opposite hot Ernesto fast food sunyane Silver House no na omo eben high court no na tamale technical hospital nyom bibiani omo ben court no tirani amwa na onso no niam amra mu fama form number no na ne omo nkasa na expert group de na jeze puchi dikra omo boni taupa na odeso na about 0249 000448 0249 000448 na 0555 550067 0555 550067 na 0508 111343 0508 11134 nko emobi nko use ke din fan ko she is legon baby nka so ye Canada na oda what is say ice water in so how na obi say that be na Toronto hai e ba be ice water di Run Express Group for more anima enkuyen from Sompa achede em za ka krebi na afene ya ba na wie na afene so se ya ye djutu ye honso boa ma yenuanom ne ye maame mo a omukunu me fi dwo mo yenuanom mo maame ne on papa fi me dwo mo no mo so no mo kai ko mu jini areho wa afie hia kofo awi akokọ ehwe o ma no na bu nso ot bibi na ordinansa atu ni bibi na hadwen kakra ti no na Sompa ya fa atu on se Sompa achede no ye be boa mo so ma ne gine wie pe na ye be ne ayi ni ye me no ena o se ka bom ne ye di ye se ne no o adi bia o de beba ba bete djuma di ne chi na ekrabe ne me etimi bi ti se mo anwa baye tin tomato sadi milo biscuit ene de aka ne beje ebi so 80 man school bags arantade books out on a pen bed sheet shoe anase toothpaste ne brushes out on a seminar o de beje meka se aka wakoma o be peso o be bomode na odi bibi kakra bi ababa bete chi kitwa bi so a be o de beba bia no ye be so izanze before organize na ni so ade but ye de kitikiti bia no ye beje timi de na mani tudwa na omo bo omo de ye na fie twem no adanse omo di no mesere nyame esi ahwo omo na mu no ya na utumu sampa ade anu hima ebebo party number no 0598 559 802 0598 me ba cho o send ya de ebeba no Airtel One Media ana Foster Blessed Airtel One Media ana Foster Blessed tidino 0 number is 0598 559 kitwe bi nso o de be sum ne nso no ya da wase na nyame nso no ehia na ne ma ko ye pede ama vora for the ba star 110 hash unya akunya etimi erama ne ma de dia Vodafone cash special voice offer no obo mode now so no wetimi nya 5 Ghana cedi pe ye ma 200 minutes ye available and valid for 7 good days out of all network T star 110 hash remo 5 Ghana cedi ye ma 200 minutes and remo my Vodafone app no so obo mode na wetimi atono na aboa na hihye no so no na deda ye kama pa etimi ediama na True World products menka Frenchos and omodi nupa obo na bidwama so a kofo no bi na abo mo se netie your True World Vision capsules no uyo bia woni so no eze wo ha unze bibibi esisi so tena agiso aboso onhyera huniama yi ana ye ohene na afa asan pai aye kokko osua no pa bonza asi twa nchena me pa tonya True World Vision capsules ni bi na obobo ebebo na sa ha no nyina ayi etimi edefi omo a era bomode etimi ede Prosta Live so ababa bi na Prosta Live ni ade a ekwede ma ye mema no so ye bema ojonso obre o prostate no eho aka amedu bebi a ojonso ho apai ana afo ojonso ntentema onya Prosta Live ni bi ebe na eisa ho ni fie no ye de mere fortes aba o ye bema na no libido na ba forma wa hwe ye obi de wade ebeko bema de ewozo ma tedua ni mu ye din obasina ni ma o ye ana ma na uzampa akui na mo no ni sisi mu eden papa ezansa ya sekom enkanya menhyehyɛ no nti ne kɔ na True product no but also peme fortes ebe na aboa na joint fortes no so no unti no ebe ye adwuma ma mo gene di efusane a eri bi no so ogebo aposo yo ya ni na ehwe ne ye de fio na ye de lady fort aba etimi edi ama baby girls no on the man de ya na mo asem ni yam ye papa bi kwa wonfe ni nyina echi no one ran sisi afio a ya beba behwe no kɔ kodwo beba behwe no kɔ omu bia no obeka no kra chozo ade no na ase hunu no mo nti e was all lady fort ni bi tu bi na unya na bo ama na makoye peda ama no the active core cleanser ababa be na cleanser we dwuma ye ni ebo ama mo jani di efusane ye nso no esan huru mu e ma na makoye peti mi ma na oyo bi a wafu aye kese ala tula fo no avezo kra zo no okọ ajana bia de sa hwe en sharamba na afi kese a na wafu ni ye me patro unya active core cleanser ni bi na bomode yusu e na e sa ha ni nyina e di fiwe di ama na ma we jian na so na ma akoye kama pa so no etimi era ma na totoye no so adadi Betway international matches ni guso koso www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh oramu wakwa kutwa no kuma bi edi ne kese na yetie omo oso no wo so uramu momo venda bi ona uzene top up posters ni wa ye top up no ho na ye hihye bread ma esmasi na ne makoye nyambo a Premier League on other leagues no return achaya fida na okom site obebu atwa 100% krike so on a golden booking code no so far me patro nyi bi film emfa bi nka ho utwa 1 Ghana to 50 Ghana na yediwa ye return si Canada ma e Betway nko a e na benya san hye terms and conditions ya de a omo apply no omo di na omo di na mo nya mfidu otwa fa ho Jesus ago we no e mpinfo agra omo bo mo de di Betway bet your way na ma and the print me from anti-star 256 star free hash Sompa sika promotion grabo ko jira we nanim na me hwe na me first draw number ansa na mabana aba be ye ya na bibia de ye print me anti-star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash obetimi aba na waba betwa gumusa na abo na bibia de anema akọ kama pa etimi era mama ka se okwa Sompa Kumase na wafa ofa no watwa gum yo ena no me che 500 Ghana cedis ni sisi a eye den amesa akwa aba na mase aba be che 500 Ghana cedis bi na aboa na bibia so no adeda yi kama so no etimi edi amamo enti esa prepe ni mu hihye no esi eti a me di ewramedi amanti ma me nkona me nkokofa di kan no ti mon pikin fa ma me na numbers no entwa ne ho sa ima abote ma numbers na entwa ne ho pa na yehu geni na obo modena watimi awe ni we na ntino eno me etwa no ho sa na etwa no ho na ekoba baronka echu betimi asan etwa star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash tiba boso ne enko ne ehwe dia we adi pa edini lucky number is 0549 439 mo fa na me ni pa nkasa 0549 439 tiano ene lucky number no but yes ya na the final free no ya bo mo di timi re choki baby kakra nyeza fiefo anya hu se wadi a number pia obi abe fra ne share ye share so crack e lokre ha juru bi so afo chire ke ye na ye we ne ma ti sa fa esika ma kruma adi wa ko ya zo be za ba be so ya be pija mu amesa na ma bo modena metimi e the final winner ramti star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash me kona me na ni nkomo me ba jo Sompa TV ni na udini baby a okasafi
Sorry
ya me ba jo udini baby a okasafi Sompa TV so ni
me di Gabriel
ye ba na on sa kan wallet no Sompa sika promotion
mira me chekere me
na wadi o na utwa do say
Sompa Sports 20
agabi ni awadi why wanya 500 Ghana cedi anopay e December be ka na sanji de twato ne count di minim di oberka che omomore ni omomutie ka bibi chi omomore ni omomutie
ro nta ya obi afa no nti no ye
gabi ntu akoya so obesa ba betwa di biem why
okay
ati me da sepa Vaz mo va mi ram na league matches no ne sere mu nkomo no esiete ene die ram ebo ama hyehyɛ ne da yie pere manche meko sunya na makwa kudi nkomo na ne ma dadi nti results a yenye yire Carolina United ebo mienu Mediana timu baako Lions hye baako ma bichim ebo mu mienu Chelsea hye baako Legon City timu ante Tamale Real Tamale United ebo miensa ema Dreams timu baako Bibiani Gold Stars Sanshebi ema Nation Seko Koko Bomba ko bofo akwata no ene nsu atreman game no obia entimi amposo ne akwata na mzeza match na chinsem ehu papa ano edempa enchemi romo sunyana makwa akodi nkoma na kotoko ehye baako ma mediama entimi ene game baako be Great Olympics ebosama te free pm na yambo china hat folk enso no eram no ne Accra Lions etimi edi aboni dibigi ma me chance for few me hwe encheme kona makwa akodi nkoma nti omo ma enjoy highlight ne kakra me baby abefa but baby anka me pese wo sha se fi pae niema na ekoso osunya no menya na dia ze temporary ya bande yi tano bofo akwa ezeli na babo
ya bani so omumbo ho mache
to ma me kwa ku
o trensa wo be call no me pese nipa or the man wo so nkoko va game no ono
sana wakasa
be man account no but there is this disturbing trend that Gold Stars namso. And I think the way I know Messi here, if there is no improvement, be a year rapid. I think that Michael was saying Nejuma no Belusi. Yep, because they are on their worst run since the start of the campaign. Almost started season in Kakra. I think in their first 4 games, and so they were looking like a team one. You bet me, I show me say I can't talk for home common way and commit me room. But on the last 7 games, Abu, it has been a dreadful run. Out of 21 available points, ometimi apeke just 5 out of it and Endra omotina firma Nations FC Kosha omo by a goal to 0. Interestingly, Nations FC non share away goal before this game. Na Nations about Dreams, Chelsea, wabo Mediama, Olympics, wabo Bofakwatano, Nina away from home. Non to mean go back cry. But against Gold Stars, who are also struggling, whether home or away, no. Nations Kosha first go and also coincidentally Abamo Munya omo first win in terms of away games or mabo.
Big you want to ask man kwa mano sona mini komobra. Mini miamini opokushiva. Sompa sunyane. Zoboku ni jina na mo hwesere nemes go. Kwaguna umpombo kode.
Bagu nyame adum bibia boko ba.
Na sunyane so te say niam adida bibia ko kama o.
Nyame adum sunyane de bibia so koso as usual.
Oboku bewram kakra na no a yenim se nanka bono derby. Ka bibia adida diansu atremind de ne bofo akwata na egbanuafo mienu a omohia but a chain 70 bibibi. De ne nam so ya tise coach maso ekradunra ya gina to hospital as am now kra no yesi ya ne sabat ne ze incident na cause no ne bro na no edi bono to fama de na nra etimi e cause nam so ma ne kokokodusa
Debbie no kra ma mintia wati fo ni arefo na ye watwenim na ye witness one of the best games so far your best for Ghana Premier League Papa no of course, incident we see, they are taking the shine away from the game. And when they are witness the game and at the end, game no game no be taking the 3 points at pick. After the game, incident debris. Wabra referee born have been and Debbie now Bopakata no supporters no Dimo na Amobonyo so and this game no on bag no more. Nanke so no minya 3 penalties as a referee to make the bomb around 85th minute Solomon Oblitekumi at the body rear box no ma and I'm so Emma so at remind defender to perform now before Katano able to send a referee penalty now referee Robert Musi Echima not in ye happening for the second time around 90+1 and the last one happening around 90+5 and no and the referee edges after nothing just the game now Bopapa no supporters now there be no preparedness and papa in Tibina no your margin senka physically on the car on papa so referee now udina game because and they Bopapa no management and no more park and so no maximum best from the referee no ever put dressing room in some more the referee if park and so to make a dressing room the referee in area dressing room the other no actually area dressing room be now we what dressing room no and I see the bonting now I see maybe not no the coach Masro Konedu and Abona Bumo dressing room can and when you about dressing room. Now the coach area dressing room no home team dressing room Emma Omudana Swabana coach Masokunda for Mani Veno. Now many patients so I've said the guy Emma coach Masokuna dear I can't tell. Now no Kwapans were Panama more patients so yeah me say coach Masokuna and the boys now after match no park and so the referee no it now you more the boys no inside now we inside no any say for coach Masokuna is the dressing room medical team and sana to ambulance Sinyan Teaching Hospital. The information gathered from Sinyan Nation Park and Akwe in Zimbabwe because any idea Miami many media a bit difficult in it and she said win a course and now coach Maso Kunadia Sakanamum and no certain another in the Piamuno in Case coach Akabi Binti physically over for the coach in Terry Debbie I condemn Emanation and more park the important is physically supported sleepy and Russia Musema so to coach in the year mean to mention after all the coach if you pack and so the referees and also every park and so at the end Yanti BIP or park and so
Obogu Yenita now can say now you or near me causing the other Barian Saint Juno was so to from Uncle out answer now primary report ne cheze niema miensa bi ni iwura mu no ka ho bi na saadi we ne course meaning is also what it bia dey can say match we no na okobi amaye nhehye dada ze bono course oti no bi ebo a ni fie ne wo se e match win game e ma no ene ye 1-2 na bi mu zo ni zo ball no ye o correct score line bi o ma ye den a e wo se no so ba na amba nti e no so dia bufu kakra ba ye ena de di ono me te say after the game no so no na we able for akwa supporters ne person o mo anka so mo coach e friend Paul Manson o mo koro mo kokotian because mo za so no technical team members no o mo ntam ni nye yi ma ye zi coach Maso Ekrodu e kokko kan se bia o mo ne say ha o mo di na o mabufu no e call no so means an e ma me say so what it bia aboaye kakra se ne city agaza
Debbie, couldn't call for the assembly. I had making you confirm the amount and yeah, I did also bring out football. Debbie, couldn't call some from Homa, the man who become Chelsea and the Canada Cup become Chelsea and that no, it doesn't matter cost on the way. Second time, you can say, but for Patano, a room, and so became any became United. 1-1. Then could be a fun woman at least. And between United can be also betting the points with and I'm one of the competitive and Yadia side in Timbas and you're not proud to the game, no. Only Bofun food in command, no more can you be a prepare ball. Minister, I'm playing food in command, or more dear to Moniabre, League in the economy on bit magic. Into on board, and see, send us on course of today, what is and the room with it. As a broad class or Boma or Shadia, I don't know. They are doing something after the game. Coach Maso could be incident. No, they have no question to say after the game. That coach is going to do any boys in the regional park and so. Supporters, one before you was on referee. So when he just after the penalty incident, he went to managing Bakura and from our supporters, not tension. Always at the main team because already probably Munya find back from a perimeter. Now almost now was on the register. Now almost fine. Now come out of the register. Now management security personnel all the rest is addressing room in the park and the inside and when you find the dressing room all of a sudden and it's a zone down my attention Emma for this one Emma incident in this year. Now when they trigger idea very very trigger Emma bad with coach of the good Nankasan did my explain Namunabia, mini some Cotia, Emma Sardan, a buy. Now African coach had the map for a part of the not on bench because I think degree, the coach and African coach and Casa and the correct, several times, even during their training session, over training grounds, you could see clearly. But we are from Mount Dinamo on the second assistant coach and anything come up plus you any other of the more anything come up who is after the agent any idea all my information during the matches I have been 2 times I mean 2 or 3 times I mean say Sabukasu any of the bench even coach their suspicion Kwana coach any other of Sabukasu idea no FA 1 be on your music let's why anything to a Sabukasu wa you are consulting you and Kasubia happen several times then you say but for part of the technical thing park and so no that's Sabukasu and can one coach in 4 months and one of the assistants and a year man and Sabukasu no bench and from for part of and some order and some day before technical side and some now only management leading command no more can you say they will try to resolve things in here be in their corner and on the when they remember no crap and say after the game now before support the deal for coaching command so with the changes and not you in the yen Portugal Emma Sandimu in a buyer Nanka center of attention in any attraction in Amo Nanka be coaching command so incident before go my mother do not turn my attention from coach now on the corner.
Chiwa, Mante, na to an Amaro Senior Regional Hospital. That coach where?
If you are the man, honorable national law over Abaho, having the issue of the coach Marco not to work on one of the private work. doctors itina no so no ene ko kwa kwata no mpe ko mpe nra ko sunyane kitchen hospital e ko he coach maso ko nedu no pe so ene o mo kafa na fi no mu ina ka ko nedu ene ya the release from Ghana Police Service on manhunt for nipa mienu on video mu se mo aso to coach maso ko nedu engineer na ye niema ko fi sunyana ye go so eni ye chese police for the car aba monte so mo ze num action mu eni ye ni bedi echi na fi ya ze ko from the come that is second one na fi yan sia ma Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa kuma fi NC and so ethnic ko subi
ante sheba ye bera tipa do the we aso ye beba na eni abi so dey aba be rom kama peti why mo ye mini opoku shepshenko Sompa Sunyane 98.9 and I'm a call Nene Koko Din Komoni Adi police on manhunt for suspects who attack a football coach in Sunyane. The police are on a manhunt for 2 persons who attacked the coach of Nchateman FC, Mr. Maswe Kunedu, during a football game yesterday, 19th November 2023, at the Sunyane Coronation Park. And the Ghana Police Service amode omoyi ne romebwa manema kuye pa service integrity eti mezaba ku fidioma na migi abo yakodi kobola ba so the no what titi bia ne ade
case number 1 then inner perimeter gate ne bia ya supporters need to mirror crime na pass or mirror and then in the course of the game security personnel are na ye detail almost more share hono there na in terms of one, there were incidents in the game and in the aftermath of the game, supporters no ebeye the dombe tietia. Yababe pon game na kasa almost started to turn your maba park in so. This is a report from somebody who was there. And before the game never they were aiming projectiles onto the pitch. So we are security near the Oko baby sir. Baby say it should at least a nya any abis and ya ansha betimi sinti dey na ye minim say dem can what you foresee and I say forecast exactly nti ye to nyoma part game mba na we supporters buofu security personnel dey na moye. Why the be in a perimeter gate? Sports. Me was about for the statement way. The statement in itself, crano okanya sabe ya abofuno.
Okamo statement.
Yes. Me nim ni po to amofo mo mutrocho way. But Fakwatano Football Club strongly denounces the recent acts of hooliganism displayed by a section of spectators at the Sunyane Coronation Park after a match day 11 fixture against Nsacheman Football Club. In a time when the beauty of sport should be celebrated, it is disheartening to witness behaviors that go against the principles of respect, camaraderie, and fair competition from both sides. The instances of violence and disorder at various football matches not only tarnish the image of a sport, but also pose a threat to the safety of all individuals present. As a football club committed to upholding the values of sportsmanship, we emphasize the need for immediate and resolute action to address the issue. By this, we are working tirelessly with the Ghana Police Service, Nsacheman Football Club, and all relevant stakeholders to bring the perpetrators of this unsporting behavior to book. But Fakatano Football Club renews its unwavering dedication to promoting useless grammar.
Fasubi niso.
Kasa tenten no matro de guon. But Fakwa knows omo kwayesa. Nobody within Bofakwa hierarchy need to be catch him say omu ni mandro omu ra inner perimeter eba park and so be yes ade no. A palpable folks would if they tell me they don't know. It is good you do this for PR anyway, but behind the scenes, this was actually a problem created by them.
We know how near Dina.
I better near charge your coaches so. Say, young fan say, supporters no me agitated no multi partners. Almost a more but for a coaches so from poor man's one. Ebane saying. Sompa Sports. And then they be see a bedroom. It's a BBC the first question is why the be inner perimeter gate no? Who opened it? And here one. how did the supporters get access? No, me room e water because enranya ina perimeter nkwa no mbie yo. The safe zone na ye demarcate set teams no kabibi say simple a. You betimi mobilize team ni players ni officials na dia omafa akoro mobiles no. There were the presence of agitated fans too.
Bishop Bram kakra na
mo to way the beto na mo ye
we ni mun common there there ye pa.
It's because nobody is punished in the end. Punish you, very. I say a ban on matches bear 10, but the real fact is no team really suffers for acts like this, and perpetrators of such acts are also left unharmed and as unattended to.
Bishop Bram,
Sompa Sports. Afibiani munsem. Baby afi no. Penyu asem bi omo say o ababone a oto baby nka. You know what? Sadly we akasa. There should be a scapegoat here and now. Our police would say. I will say the obedience and now. Maso kunadu no. Kene bit maso you know. For be out on chain. Police statement the crisis is saying Ogusua you treating the hospital or praying kwa Maso kunadu hospital not.
Dabi nyon not.
Good. What shatter there about time come a better answer obedwa. What crefi. Maso kunadu mo bisa baby an yen ne ma o. Anopenium mo hu mo bisa se ne sitting on. Nebusian form one crowd and no bisa se no musiti. Like, have you bothered about all that?
Sompa Sports.
Forget about hooligans. Yen say. Nipa ya come as me. They could have murdered him.
Yes.
Until some way a kabia for Nisio a subam bonny. A subam bonny pa was in the baby. A subam bonny.
I mean, tells you, mebao. They are bobo you go boy awaiting kuze.
Me pese met it the course no but you see a subam bonny was in the passes. The local economy is going to suffer. And yeah, ITU ni bofu. Ni akase o makamu. And yeah, Kaela ni bofu. Now if you senior consider how many minutes?
It's about 20-25 minutes.
And pen you follow mo ye teams no. Omo hwe da omo ni omo kasa o. Nsiatrema for no bofu for no. Supporters no. Da
Sompa Sports.
And akofa we aba. And two fans na eku. Bofu for na had suspicions of the referee being somewhere.
Bofu for no.
And they say no kre no kre.
No omo wa adwin bi sa.
Enti referee no omo ko penable no he mu nya de mo ye ne nya no. Eno ne ya bai. Pata for di aba. I mean, come on, man. The best Ghana Police Service. Origin the moon so sa mbro so sa. Pa se be hama de we akode. E hwe man nko. Oba ne bofo after 4 matches no musa abasu ya de no asesa.
Yes sai.
The mum na no ye ne kwame ya be che no.
Ya di kwame asem atwa efie bi ato kwame so a o me ho kra onko.
But no call. It changes the dynamic entirely.
The ezelo. The bishiwalo. Omuku
Sompa Sports.
Omo ba bibribu Premier League so the omo ba be no. So omo ba bibribu so toko be kololo.
Yes, sir. This year no. The plan was that not a single one of them will go down.
Dabi.
The omo pen no. No masa de bakwa be kan ho. Besaba. So like, come on, man. I don't pay anti as papa. The mum, what will be the we know. The MS say, police for Nijina ho, they're no worry. Jeff, there were policemen on the pitch.
You know why?
They couldn't make arrest on the pitch.
I feel,
come on,
fatigued to talk about this. I told him, yeah. The FA president and his executive council, they should listen good. Sabi omo bi wa no disrespect but omba Ghana Premier League no nche. Look, 86. Techima Hollister, you remember that it has a book.
Sompa Sports.
So in fact, this region and that incident Suraj Musa, your boss Suraj Musa the nim nyina pa moja.
Oh.
I'm talking 86. Yeah, at that you must know the orientation of the people you are dealing with. Yeah, me maka. Go and read the Kujeto report, commission report, on how our policemen handle crowd at our stadium. The issue about the training for our policemen to handle crowd at our stadium after May 9 has not been dealt with very well. My position will remain the same. It will never change. Based on the fact that nya mwa bi was stadium nye nipa. Abua nso de ese bi o yen treat abua te se nipa. Mra e de titi abua no. Yen find some mra no te nipa. I've said it countless times. See, 2 platoons will be equal to 40 soldiers for every league match or 8 venues. Let's have 4 army officers to complement the police and 4 dogs each. You see, when we do that, the gentlemen who were going to coach, they released 1 military dog and see only dog no or viewer. See whether somebody will try this time. Baby, I do nya be section of the somebody is ye mwa munye nipa. And TSC started say ye design she never call. The soldiers will compliment on say hano because any police for the tinti familiarity.
Abum.
Fantastic. So now we need to compliment them with the army officers and the dogs. Me am a dog because I know what the dogs does. Across sports in Ghana, Gabon. Military dog every obikoti sebi anopa. Yes. because of Dinsenfun and only the dog no.
At all call also.
Good. So corner and now call Obama dog we are. Abe idea son kobi. If the FA does not make sure say almost study some be engaging military, abe complimenting police for nienke nyina engage. Because me say soldier for honma on konkonye. He will not. 3 weeks ago, me passed to police for friends. Yes, free Kruma. Drivers here of Baku can't say soldier for car bow. In 2 seconds. So that is how Sunny yes so. Yet is all more bar. So police for any of my tranti, we see them as yen for 4 yen. Police detail idea me can ebe kwa ma on for the nipa be once. Your stadium no week out. For instance, this stadium, but for senye sem near Cambodia should play the league man there. Yes.
Sunyan coronation.
Senye sem near, but it's true. It's true. And yes, sem near Gamaica sitting here, but you know that place you can't pass it to play. Okay, but for the purpose of compromises. Because in terms of safety and security, it's not good. Wow. How many exits do we have? You have how can you have a stadium only 1 exit? And there, where is it done? Even in Africa, where? Now that one is Eda, Mike Bishop. Eda ye unavailable so can do. Guess what? The first place you went to, was Sapak. Oh, I come up 500 Ghana. I was the one. Satana almost year we almost see dressing room of 500 Ghana and a Benkuvi first Benkuvi. Yes.
And our house in Akobono.
Yeah. Or the Boamuso Omonfa enye like dressing room.
I say you room for. Some cranani Yanidi. A bishop saying in our for. Dear. About
like Bishop Bacano. You see, police one best perpetrator, metal perpetrators as how on earth could you be overwhelmed by where Sebi mo gaje na mo di ba park e wo ifa.
Mo attention won. Ekodi referee. Almost started with referees no.
That is wrong.
Omo to me omo bro referees na bi TC park so mo di go omo so. Then the police for na no mo wo no. No mo cordon referees no no mo pin omo de akora kana ni di omo akọ. Ana we no so be see. So me say the course ni na abu schemed.
Be you ramati you are menu beshia. Why? Mami jamre we kakra na fa ma krobia kumasi asante koroko. Ah yeah.
One will course between Amori. Look at that. Yes, but look at that. Look at that. Who initiated all this?
Wow.
Yes. Yes.
Any video no. Or say Omopon game, he was aggressive there. I will not excuse him for that. No call referee and say na there na mo dey aye. Enti assistant referee na also ordinance be wo n'anim a. Enti oye we no so react here.
Awia me no we share asem. Hi, Mami Ninko more crop ya so I'm on the World Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services. Baka then the doctor Nimo Zebra Ebana Wudi mu how na face no oye bema o tedua no o how kakre o ma ni na na dia boana ne ma de ye pray timi mana ni what ni juma no bono anu edin papa man monko vagina tighten no bo mode ye o kidi mu liver mu how hepatitis, typhoid, cancer and afi so na hypertension, stroke, diabetes when you ya usisi yo ya and afi do na jona ntimi Ramani na bena yetimi aboana hyehyɛ na dadi mpa omomundo no omoyɛ research no se ni ene eduru eboa na ne ma dadi mpa etimi era man se na ya banti laboratory services no etimi ekoso anaso omo ebo modern eduru lab check scan services koso ya wara machines ya de check untinu kumanse atonso monako junction si adanso ya bango transe joda kukusi memenda 7:30 am de kukuram 6 pm no abomodin aye dwuma no so echi no enkran orwa ni chemo inside circle inside Fotorama omo Bengori station no and afi so no mo na chemist any din me omo bo modern air trans ya woda let the kukusi memenda na chesa aboama tutu na koyie pere amanopa no so abode apam di rama nwenu nsia ene ye dwuma ti fana manaka 0244 087687 0244 087687 0279 087687 0279 087687 fe na ne doctor ni mo ni nkomo no mbo na ne man koyie pe ne ntimi fama na bibia ende da ntimi kwa ba me ba be me final draw no Sompa Sika promotion star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash na boa na ne ma de da dimpa ne timi ra ma nya twanko a ubedi medical che 500 Ghana mesi aba asia ba be che 500 Ghana ntimu twa gum na mboa na mensa kopen kese ya ba kubu amede minim no no abebo ni din na no pay de na baba be rama no babo modern de jam oben akwaba
mejoso
na umpumbo kode amede minim na bodin no bia
Efrem Ibrahim Sabnentwi obi onim bia Dr. Price Junior bia Ibrahim ni naga
doctor alope a wo abokro bia gesi kama pa na so win na ba
yes hope na ba see the hope ni lunch here no this is na hope na ba
anti hope na ba
the media the next match Lagos City almost ba kwaje sa ti hope ni dia ba
is it etoaso
operation win 5 matches here
wow unya banko abeje aso
said the hope win ni here
ufio ba bi
o ka dia
ye roberto
na media ma o complain ye go mo nyesa media ma aka 1 minute go menya penalty na o dey age penalty na ka 10 minutes 15 minutes na be timashe no entimansha na dey akro ni abu awie ya to no ka se ka
ara ma uzo all the name be
the hope brand no na ya lunch
okay
so replica Jesus na ba na ye media to ti ye ni say every radio station bia ye do bia de ba akoma no
okay
nti ene ye ba say ye de present atapoku die no ti abu
okay
una abeji no ahwe na amamanfo ahu de ni sitie
okay
na
ti Bishop Atapoku
ambacho amamanfo hu bie so
okay
mi amese bra
amahwe na ma ye hu adwuma na
to ni ade o se mi di kan de ba kuma no class na masa ko customize ne dia ne de ti mi bra jam die so ni
ele we ne essential for dia eye we are anti
abusu de ni o
okay
abusu de de
anti we no omo fa we no wa hama anti we atapoku de no wow there's a big amount to be brave now 170 saying because Michael so agene there and Apostle so agene there
ataka say me fa 4 and 5
and me so be oh wow oh okay and there be home community says there's a big amount so supporters in the PBA to me and say na won hye ne city
price no abu price ni 220 also hwe quality na ma mo hwe quality na Jeff mo hwe na wo de kotokodo wa wo match na hwe quality no enti wo hwe quality na anya 220 ni o se age ba na e da form no e da form du ko e na de bia o se very big market penetration o se start bi bisa ti e de be ko but for now the 220 now the 220 ye dey aba okokotoko secretariat nesi ya benyabi
okay
ene ya okokotoko secretariat benyabi uko Oscar boutique enso wadum enso benyabi wo ena the shop JD and also
the shop JD
and also South Central
shop JD
Trust Hospital so Kumasi na beauty me abunje akana family je me Kumasi me and also uko ha benyabi na numbers me tutuga
for numbers me tutuga yo ya na comfort afre bisa ye pa na omo ba na edidi ho nkoma na enti for numbers me tutuga ma me
uko Oscar boutique and numbers ni 0242 164 483 0242 164 483 and now got shop JD and also 0248 890 104 0248 890 104 and now person offer utubiton what dey frame me 0501 359 776
Science to be a man
051 0501 359 776
there's a bia person to be ton frère na on you also hear am say
nkese ba ko won say enkoda ne de ne so nkwadaa nkete bia babies ne nkwadaa nkete babies toddlers on say
person me to mama ba
nti ano so ba
afini be na ba
okay
chanting grad ye na wo say bububa
on say ekoye ebusua maame to papa to e wasa nkwadaa ne sunya
initiative we
nti won say omusa na omunyini ba no ye twa ne picture to wasa wa shekotoko jesi ni ye twa de ato kama
initiative we dey nti mafa jina mbaso usuma papso
nti ma lanche Fabulous the whole brand we a family edition
ma family atum kotodwe
wa ti more na no so bra ti e da masepa so ze makaya maye ya me ze mi am so mu no ma hu
over neze
quality no
size ni ya neze me do de yellow so de bro neze amenya ma
brand color BS hold the brand
no problem say excel na e kama
ma say yes ubwa team page
any o 3 in now red no white and red and asantiman colors in yellow green so
nti more package say be I'll be per 3 no and I'll be per 2 so I'm more package for that
yes
say be I'll per
price
yes
no there okay what's the quality na here no the
no maybe so texture no the very quality
quality ni na yen pese yen tie man quality ni there yan compromise cry but pricing as at now there as a company you decide say you the boka
cheaper
yeah the very cheap obi a she biama obi anya bi but e den a you be page mu kotoko page ani mu ani azu page mu
the body say na wajo the entertain
yes encourage supporters no bia opportunity
na boa
yes the early bird catches the worm
yeah na dia ati sana isi eti mere na mabomode me final draw no ansa na ma page me mu na ayeyi kakra na de akebia yetimi da to aso the amount no Sompa sika promotion star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash na boa na ma de ye pa etimi edi amount na to na etimi akwedi imamore na yenye final draw no na yehu winner no ne we ya ti ye na ye final draw na ewram na ya bomode na bibia so no etimi adadade nti eno na eko dima boso ne enko na ehwe na yehu winner na ne wa bomode aditi na ma ne ye 0559 005 0559 005 na emwa na ne man de dem the final free bibinti no ye de sie enti kramore say omo be wi ne ye be fa na ye hu the final winner no na afei ye ne no edin komo na ya bomodin ehu de ono so woka se ne say timi aka ne sika na aboa ma ne ma de di party jero ti yelo crop ya komasi asante koroko jesus na bedwama so ti miamia wodo na aburu ma on sabetimi aka bi na aboa na ne ma de di na hwe de egumanim ne de memanya na I'm tata ma me na me ko ne adia
Sompa Sports
no can say me na mentini na obisa ma
me say just be fata pa
kotoko de no e go bo
se na o se tie no o sha be fata pa
as I want to share fatalo
say ebe ye ho no
fatalo I want to say ebe
ho no
and I confirm peshe
oh say ono say ni we su che no nti say omiemia ho kaka
Vicky me no na share local teams in Jesus
oh yeah say Malanchi initiative be say Bosome Baku bia there will be a new Ghana Premier League jersey at the Beba studio every say must start with summer test good until next month exactly nyabo train ya kase you were 18 Premier League clubs me say club bia just kotoko count
I can see for Buffers
oh yeah debut dom league homogen league na
8 December
that protocol has been
8 December say me still I say 8 December no
and the obeshe sana say maybe I'm question has there no so
Jesus I need to promote exactly now bola na man
exactly
everything that also be share protocol there
now I share has there no